everybody, Tim and Mary here. We are at Knott Soak City.
Yes!
For the first time in a long time. For some fun in the sun.
Yes.
Before we begin, huge shout out to our top supporters, Tom, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, and Crosslats.
Woo!
Look at all those school buses. It must be all these summer camps. Mary told me the irony of that is they're literally starting in a few weeks around here. Certain districts are at least. So today, Soak City is our goal. All bets are off. We bring in our iPads in so we have entertainment.
Soak City time!
Soak City time! We haven't been back in... We didn't go last year. We just had our purple passes. So this year we have gold passes. And you could smell sunscreen everywhere. It actually doesn't look that crowded, some of the slides. There's the Independence Hall. They have those scanning things and then secondary scanners, but it looks like everybody just goes off. Let's check out the store. Yeah, you guys, they pretty much have everything here if you, for one of those last minute, you know, hey, I want to go to the water park, but I forgot to pack a swimsuit. They have everything here. Hats, swimsuits, tank tops, bikinis, board shorts, even swimsuits for the babies. Flip-flops. Ooh, they even sell umbrellas right there. And sun hats. And sunglasses. Everything you need for a day, a day in the sun. Here's the lazy river. That's probably going to be our main squeeze today.
Oh yes. I love a good lazy river.
Yeah, you guys, it's not even that hot. I mean, it might get up to 80, I think, later, but that's it. We're in July, and we waited this long to go, and it's still cold.
Yeah. Well,
it's gonna be so hot this haunt season.
That's our prediction.
There's no denying it. It's gonna be prepared. Wait, you guys see if they have any special ones?
Yeah.
But what's that one on the far right?
They got red, white, and boom!
Oh my gosh.
4th of July flavor. And then they got Fantas.
The mango is good.
And then, yes. I want to try that red, white, and boom, guys.
Yeah, so do I.
And then that Fanta.
The cherry lemonade.
Like,
hey you guys, this is new for us. What's that say? Cowabunga. Oh, Cowabunga's beach bar, huh? Let's see what's on
they
there.
have food here too.
Ooh, yes they do. Flatbreads.
It doesn't look like it's on the meal plan though.
No. Canned beer and seltzer. They have tap too. Cocktails. Man, for that much, you better put balls in it. I already know what Disney's like. They suck. So since we saw that the food was open, we're gonna go get that out of the way because that's gonna get busy later. And I'm hungry anyways. We've been up since like 8.
Yeah.
All right, we got our food. We both got chicken tenders, but Mary got onion rings and I got fries so we could share because it does give you a lot, as you can see. And yeah, we did get a drink cup for the day because we're gonna do buffet this year, and I'm pretty sure they still give you like the end of the year refills, right? Like the all season cup. So we're just gonna wait because we already have the drink plan anyway. So yeah, it's a good thing we ate when we did. There's still a lot of people coming in. We're gonna do some more walking around. Probably not gonna get on any slides today. Yeah, I don't know about that. The water, everybody looks like they're freezing as they get out of the water, so we'll see. We don't even know how cold it is yet. It's crazy, you guys. The water's cold. What do you think? Cold-ish.
Ish, but I'll deal.
Yeah, Mary's going in. She's crazy. I slowly go in. I finally thought of my real idea that I was going to do on the way here. The water, the waves are, oh, they were on for a second. They turned them off already. They turned them off already.
Already? Take it down a little further.
The water's cold. It's taking me like 10 minutes to get used to it. So they got the thing, but they don't sell the big squirts. We brought ours in too. But I don't know if I want to use it if nobody else has a squirt gun here.
Yeah.
I'd be the only one with an advantage. All right, we're gonna attempt to go in the lazy river.
Yeah.
We saw one of our lifeguard friends.
Yes.
Mary got herself a raft. I'm fine, Mary, for now. Shark Hunter's Chief. Yarr. Shark size chief. Oh, there's that cold water bucket coming up. I think I might hit the bucket, man. Avoiding bucket. It's cold water. We gotta go for another round, and then we need to reapply our sunscreen. It's a shark, not the shark. Yar. Right towards it. Is it cold? Yes. Yes. Freezing cold water. Alright, we just got out of the lazy river. Now we're gonna go reapply our sunscreen and then maybe go walk around and go on a slide maybe. Depends on which line is the worst. Least worse. Alright, we reapplied sunscreen. It's been 2 hours. And now we're gonna walk around and get some more drink. Oh, well at least there's tubes on the bottom.
I know.
I mean, if there's tubes on the bottom, that's a good
But
sign.
It's going all the way down.
Yeah, it's a couple minutes. And then there's the line up there for the Old Man Falls. The wait times are not posted, but we might go on this side if there are drinkage. Okay, so we're back in the lazy river. We just went to the car to take a little break, but we're back in the lazy river. The Mary's way up there somewhere. It's mad now. It's a little overcast too. Not really a nice day, and you know it sucks. We waited so long to go too. There's the Mary. We got different tubes this time. Mine's freaking huge. Like I could lay on it though. Look.
Extra large.
Look at, I could lay on it though. It's pretty cool. Good night. Whee! Alright, you guys, the clouds came in and it's like chilly now. And we just got out of the river and I'm like, look, yeah, we just got goosebumps.
Why can't hot season be like this?
So I know, right? Yeah. I say we're gonna go get our towel. So we've gotten out of the lazy river because these like clouds came in. And it's not making it fun anymore. It's chilly now and there's a breeze. So we went and got this really good like, red, white, and bomb.
Yes.
Is that what they're calling it?
Yeah.
Ices, and it's really good.
It's super good. Like,
Yeah, we've been trying our best to try different ices.
Yeah. 440.
There's like about an hour and 20 minutes left, but we might go out early and start getting, like, just chill in the car for a little bit and get changed because we're going to go into Knott's Berry Farm, Summer Nuts, and get something to eat over there. And if you guys notice, this cup doesn't look like the other ones. It's that skinny old style kind. It still says 2025 on it, 6 Flags. Shark Hunter's Chief. Alright, you guys, the sun is like gone now at this point. We're gonna get out of here. It's chilly. We're gonna get changed and get ready to go to Knott's Berry Farm. Enjoy some more summer nights. Get something to eat too. Alright, we're out of here. Yeah, look at the clouds. It's crazy because, you know, guys, we waited so long to come. There goes my car. We waited so long to come and it's still chilly. It's not like, I don't know, 90s. I mean, I don't know the weather pattern too much for Buena Park, but I'm pretty sure it should be a little hotter now in July than 80s, but craziness. But nonetheless, we still had fun. I went on the slides right there. Mary didn't go on it. Can't really film on the slides anymore, so I'm gonna go do a closure over here, Mary. Alright guys, that's going to do it for our trip, our first trip back to Soak City in a while.
Yes!
It was a lot of fun today, besides the weather getting in and out of warm and coldness. But, you know, hopefully we can come back. I don't know, our schedule is pretty jam-packed.
It's jam-packed!
So we'll see what we can do.
Yes!
But thanks guys so much for tuning in. Huge shout out to our supporters. Tom, Creepy Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CR Farsight, Pro Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, Jackson, C and Andrew. Woo! See y'all next video.
Bye-bye!